Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're keeping safe out there. A few weeks ago I uploaded a video for the best jacket in the world. Now this week, to complement that jacket, these may be the best pants in the world. These are the John Doe Mono Defender cargo pants. If you'd like to know a little bit more about these pants and why I think they're awesome, stick around, stay tuned. A few weeks ago we did a review on the Klim Marrakesh jacket, which I thought was probably, maybe, could be the best jacket in the world, and the only jacket that you'll ever need as long as you're layered with different things, as we described in the video. If you haven't seen that video, there's a link of it just up there. But watch this one first before you go on that one and have a look at the best jacket in the world. So John Doe, European brand, only been around since 2001. What makes these pants possibly the best pants in the world? Well, they're one of the comfiest motorbike pants I've ever worn. I've had these now, I think when did I buy these? I've had these pants since the beginning of the year. I've done 1,200 miles around Scotland in them. I firstly bought them to ride on my CCM. Fashion purposes, you know what I mean? So these are a cargo pant, but they're not just any old normal cargo pant. The difference with these is these are AAA rated. This gets the highest rating that any motorcycle gear can be rated nowadays. AAA. AAA makes it stronger than leather. Actually, 60 times stronger than leather. AAA rated has a slide time of around about 6.7 seconds. Similar to the Rokitech jeans, which I reviewed quite some time ago. If you haven't seen that one, there's the video for that one. The difference between the Rokitech jeans and these cargo pants is that these cargo pants are stretchy. And because they're stretchy, similar to the Marrakesh jacket, they fit you properly. They don't move, they don't sag, and they're one of the comfiest pair of trousers I've ever worn. They're weaved with a XTM fibre, which I have no idea what it is, but I'll put a link down below that'll take you to John Doe, and they don't really tell you much exactly what's on there. And when they make the thread, they coat it in Coolmax lining. So the Coolmax lining that you wear, that you can have in your socks and stuff like that, which is an anti-wicking fibre, a man-made fibre that is. So it has full breathability. John Doe not only do the cargo pants, they do jeans as well. They do other cargo pants from AA rated to AAA rated. These AAA rated pants do come a little bit on the large side. I take around about a 34, probably more of a 35 now after lockdown and things like that. These are a 32 and they fit me well. I probably could have gone down to a 31 because in the Defender, I think they go up in 1 inch increments. I bought a 34 and they were more like between nearly a 36, possibly nearly a 38. So I've gone down to a 32. They're comfy, they're not tight, and the good thing about it is these have got stretch in them, absolutely stretch. Complete with nearly D30 Ghost armour. It's their own armour, not the armour out of the hip. As you can see, it's floors air as well, so even that doesn't make you warm. It has your normal pockets that you would have in a pair of jeans, including your coin pocket. It has the 2 pockets on the side, that's what makes it a cargo pant. It also has a zip pocket behind one of the cargo pants on the left hand side, which you can put some valuables into and zip it back up. What I would have liked to have seen on that zip, I think it goes the wrong way. Really, I think it should have gone that way, because if the wind ever catches it, it'll always close shut. But not really a problem, is it? Comes in various different leg lengths. I think it's 4 different leg lengths, ranging from 30 inches up to 34, I think. If I got that wrong, I'll put a thing on the screen now to tell you what the leg lengths are. Apologies about that. I just realised that we've got a bit of misting on the camera lens, on the internal lens. Got moisture inside the GoPro, so I've just cleaned it out and start again. So yeah, we were talking about the knee placement. One of the problems of buying an expensive pair of pants and making sure that the knee armour is going to go in the right place. On the John Doe, it's a slightly different approach, and it has this material. It's only a thin material. It's like a cotton material. It's weird. It's dead thin. It's like it's nearly like a stocking. It's weird. You can actually see through it. The knee armour itself has this Velcro stuff on it. It's not normal Velcro. It's bloody sticky Velcro, and it sticks like, you know, to a blanket. And then within the pocket itself, because this is the only bit that's lined, and it's not Kevlar or it's not anything like that. All it is to enable you to put the knee armour into the correct position of where you need it. This line in this pocket goes all the way past the knee, and it goes quite considerably below the knee. So this will enable you, I would say 99.9% of the time, that whoever bought these pair of trousers will be able to put this knee armour in exactly the right place of where it's needed. Unlike some other makes out there, which you have to put up with. It's either in the right place or it's not in the right place, and people put up with it. With this, you don't have to. It's got circles of exactly where you can put it, and it enables you that when you do take them out and you do go and wash it, you know exactly where you can put them again. So yeah, all it does, you just fold it up inside and try and keep the Velcro away from the material, because like I say, it does stick. It goes in exactly the right place, and when you look at it, it seems a little bit waffy, but it's not. Once it's in, it doesn't move. 1,200 miles around Scotland in it. I don't know, 5 days, 6 days, in and out all the time. Never had a problem with it. So that's the knee armour, and as you can see, it is a single layer. There's no Kevlar lining. The XTM abrasive fibre is woven into the material itself, and as you can see, it's stretchy. It's quite hard to show. There you go. Should be able to see that now. Now, that's how much it stretches. So that's how comfortable these cargo pants are. Like I said before, if you're going to buy a pair, get yourself a size down, at least a size down. They are a generous fit. For some reason, everything coming out of Europe seems to be slightly bigger, and I don't know why, even though they say that they are the size. The comfiest pair of pants that money can buy. I believe they're 235 quid. I'll put a link down below where to get them from, and I think there'll be 2 links down below where they're from. Not really the time of year that you want them, but get them bought ready for next year. The best summer trouser. Well, you could even wear them all year round. I've worn these a couple of times now when it's gone a little bit cold. It's gone under 10 degrees. I've worn long johns underneath, merino wool thermals, because they stretch, they fit okay, not a problem with them, so why not wear them all year round? Best pants you can buy. That's the John Doe Mono Defender cargo pants, AAA rated. Get yourself a pair. I thought I'd do a bit of fashion show for you. So as you can see, they fit. They're an absolute lovely pair of motorcycle pants. The arm is slightly low because when you do bend down and sit on your bike, it rides up and fits exactly perfect. It's exactly where it should be. So it comes complete with the knee armour and hip armour. It's got the 2 cargo pockets, the zip pocket, which allows you to put some stuff in that you don't really want to lose. Like I said, the zip could have gone really the other way and it would have closed if it did get wind. And you can hardly tell that these are a pair of motorcycle jeans, can you? They just look like a pair of olive camo pants. There you go, YouTubers, what do you think about them? Nice pair of trousers they are. Just one of those things that I bought this year, and I wanted to share it with you all. I just think they're an awesome pair of trousers. If you thought the video was alright, give it a big thumbs up. If you stumbled across us again, please, I'd be humbled if you just press that subscribe button and ring that bell and become a subscriber of Simon B, The Adventures Of. That would be awesome. Thanks very much for watching to the end. Not a lot of people do get there. I should start putting competitions and things on at this and free stuff. Might get sort of people stopping this far, but that's just YouTube for you, isn't it? So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Get yourself a pair. 2 links down below. One I think you'll get 10%. The other one could be 15. I can't remember. It used to be like that. Tell them I sent you. They might send me some free stuff. I don't know yet. Nobody has yet. So I've paid for them myself, and they are an awesome pair of pants. So if you're out there riding, ride safe, be safe, keep safe, and as they say, we'll see you soon.